how you can add phone number in your iMessage on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So the first step is just go to your settings. After you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on your Apple ID. So after you're on your Apple account settings, you will see these settings right here. You will need to go to sign in and security. Now after you're on sign in and security, just tap on the edit option on the side here. After you tap on the edit option, you will see this add email or phone number option. So just tap on it. And here you will get two options. One is to add an email address, other is to add a phone number. Just tap on add a phone number, and now all you need to do is just add your phone number, and after you do that you will get a verification code on the phone number, and you'll just need to type that in and you'll have added a phone number in your iPhone. And after you do that, you can just go to your iMessage settings and check if the phone number has been added there. So yeah, it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.